Okay, so we're going to be replacing the PCV valve on the 2018 Audi S5. Okay, so here's a PCV valve. We're going to go ahead and remove this and replace it with the new one. And then we're going to also replace the breather hoses here. We're going to remove this heat shield. So we're going to go ahead and use 13 millimeter. So there's going to be 4 bolts on each corner. This one only has 3. Yours is probably going to have 4. Go ahead and remove that. On the side. Okay, so we're gonna remove the breather hoses. So you just want to pinch it and push back on it like that. So this one's already broken. So you could use either a flathead screwdriver, pry it out, and just pull it out. Okay, so now we're gonna remove this end of the breather hose. So same thing. Maneuver it out like so. So what I did here, because it's a little bit harder, so technically you're supposed to pinch these two and then pull out, but since this bottom part is really stuck with the valve cover, what I did is I grabbed a flathead screwdriver, pry this side, pull it from one side, and then do the other side and pull it out. Okay, so next we're gonna go ahead, turn this around. You're gonna find this little clip right here. So with the flathead screwdriver, you just wanna pry it up and then pull at the same time. Like so. Okay, so next with the T30, we're gonna go ahead and remove the screws for the PCV valve. Okay, just go ahead, pull it out. Okay. So this one's going to be a little bit difficult because they installed it with silicone right here, so it's a little bit more stuck. So I'm just going to pry it slowly. If that doesn't work, I'm going to find a little corner to pry it on. And that didn't work. Okay. Okay, so I'm prying it right here in this corner. So yours should be coming out easier, but the only reason why we're prying it from that corner is because they installed silicone. There we go. Okay, so on the new PCV valve, I'm gonna go and install the gasket. So you want to press down on it, make sure it's seated properly. Want to double check, make sure everything's seated. Looks like it is. Okay, so you went ahead and cleaned the surface. Make sure everything's clean. Let's go ahead and turn it around and install it. So I'm gonna grab my T30 socket. I just want to start it all the screws first with some couple threads. Turn it a couple times. Okay. Now with my gun, I'm gonna turn it to the low setting. I'm gonna zap it from the middle and out. And then you wanna cross it. One corner, next corner. Move on to the next corner. Okay, and then next corner. And after that, we're gonna torque it. Okay, so we're gonna torque these to 9 Newton meters. So same thing, you wanna start in the middle. There we go. Okay, and then go to the corners. Go to the next corner. Okay. Okay, now we're gonna install our oil cap cover. You just put it into place. Okay. And then we're gonna install our oil cap. Like so. So next we're just gonna clean our ports here, breather ports. Make sure it's all clean. Hit it with some brake cleaner. Okay, and I'm gonna hit this side too as well. That's better. That's a little fuss. Okay. So next, I'm gonna use a little bit of white grease, just a little bit. We'll go ahead and lubricate the insides where the O-ring is gonna sit. I'm talking about like very little on all the ports, and then this one as well. Okay. So now with our breather hoses, our new one, just want to pop it into clicks like so. Gonna install this bottom one next. Lean over it. Like so, make sure it clicks into place. Like so, and then this last one right here. Make sure it clicks into place. There we go. Let's double check they all went in. And yes, they all went in. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and reinstall heat shield. So this one only came with 3 screws. And let's start them off with a couple of threads. Then we're gonna go ahead and zap it. Our 13 millimeter.